Okay guys, today I'm teaching Chief how to jump in the back of my dad's car because he doesn't like it because he thinks it's too high. That's what I've been training in place for because I've used this Chief twice, and I've used a taller bucket, and then I used a chair to teach Chief how to jump up. And now Chief's gonna go in the car. Come on, jump. Jump. Good boy. Good boy. Yes. So, Chief just did it, and we're training Chief jump. So we're training him because he was scared to do it before. Chief, please. I've been training Chief a lot. So, well, I did training before with this. So that was my training for today, guys. And thank you. Just one more then. Chief. Yes, good boy. Good boy. And make sure to praise your dog and reward them. Chief, please. Good